Chef James show. I hope you're feeling fun at home. And if you're feeling bored, why don't you make blueberry and banana bread? And you'll need eggs, banana, blueberries, a spoon, flour, sugar, a little bit of salt, vanilla, butter, and I forgot what button was called. Then you need flour, a bicarbonate of soda, and some salt into the bowl. Then you need to mix butter and sugar together until they're nice and fluffy. Then you need to add an egg, mix it, then you need to add the other egg and a bit of vanilla. Then you need to mash the bananas. Then you need to put your mushy banana into the mixture. Then you need to pour your flour into your mixture bit by bit. I better put the blueberries into the batter, but first I better check they're okay. Yummy! Now I need to pour the mixture into the tin. My adult has taken it out of the oven. It looks and smells delicious. I was going to cut the whole bread. Oh, that looks very delicious. I can't wait to eat it. Bye!